Hi, and welcome to OurKidsCode, Creative Computing for Families. To make it easier to see how each family is getting on with coding, we use MicroBit Classroom to watch as they use MakeCode. To set up a classroom, go to classroom.microbit.org. Start by naming your activity. We recommend giving the name RPS for Rock Paper Scissors. Then, under Choose a Programming Language, click on MakeCode. Now, launch Classroom. Next, we must share the joining details, so click Dashboard in the menu at the top. This shows the URL they must link to, the classroom name, and the PIN number. Share your screen on Zoom so that families can see the details. Make it easier for them by adding the URL to the chat in Zoom so they can click on it. Here is what the families see when they go to microbit.org/join. They choose the colour, animal, transport and object shown on your shared screen and type in the PIN number. On the next screen, they type in their family name. Now they can get on with coding. You can check who is connected on the dashboard at the bottom and see what they have made by clicking Student Code in the menu at the top and then click on each name. By monitoring their work, you can decide whether to intervene to help and also see when they have finished. Tell them not to click the I've finished button before they have downloaded to the MicroBit. They can't save their work as a project. And keep your browser window with the classroom open. They will not be able to continue if you close it.